Mama wakwaba medin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Kumawood for enomo ekase na meka Kumawood fumpa na manye fair because enyomo mutwa sene ewo Kumasi nyina ena omo ekase na emu kakra bi eye Christiana Awuni bigger quiz papa ya no ya na na ye boa ene ho nkeka ho ene omo akotena Power FM omo ano den eto ayampia wonya sapon ne sen a wonya sapon nyina ne se His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ebeye president one time Ghana sikei na mo no mo andi esan so mo nkwa no mo ye Ghana funti His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo esen kokuku Ghana sikei na ade mawe wanfa mawe ntinde omo to ayampia na woto ayampia wie no Ghana fo so give it to them Ghana fo de amawe omo akeka omo adwe de akere omo anya asempecha omo adu omo atem medini na bebro na ebusuafo ansa na no yenti ensema wodi tuja
ya to ba dia ma ya president ne Akufo-Addo ne Akufo-Addo ti ma beboa yen hwe
na so
2016 yi bi ma ewo Kumasi mi biga kwesi mi iska de boa MPP
kafra
mi iska de boa ne susuan pa say otubiti makasem de ade a kire yen na the end of the day otima sabe say dia the president Akufo-Addo de ka che nyina ne say ensa ye di she nku no
Madam Christiana Awuni,
yes
musini twafo yi mo ya disappointed ana mo di o ma benu na mi bo mutie someone penyin Akufo-Addo say obesity atamamo ma yenga ti say wakosi bi kura wo chebi Kumasi ne ewe hin
headquarters we headquarters we try to Accra ada ro ko twa no ko ti wo chebi
ebusuafo ensemwe ena yensi ni twafo yi ede atudwa na wo wie no ena Ghana fo so etie ensem no wotie ya na wose dabi ensem a mo Kenya asasem bi enu ti obedi mu atem ti atem di wo adi mu papa bi mo kire se mo akasa se bi mo adwenye ene bi mo kire se Christiana Awuni oto no sisi no enye relevant bi o ebi mo so ya kire se bigger quiz agrada eja wo hwe ti na ise odi wani bra akogu His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne sui na ebusuafo ansa na mekan ensem a Ghana fo ede abano actors and actress ya mokase muntie me se His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo monkase mo no mo se wansi eye film village amamo entini mumbu afu enti mo pese o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama na mo campaign amane na waba no problem ene mu ni asem monkope island bi monkope praso ensi mu dan wo monkote munku wo mo na mo asendore na mo be for mampani dada John Dramani Mahama no koye mo president but nye Ghana ha no ma mo kasa no mo se film village aho how many film villages and am wo Ghana ha no muntie mun kan kire sunya no mutwa seni wo ho titulu pa Kumasi Greater Accra ehemfa and am wo film village e wo ha muyi manu wi a na mo bisa mo ho se NDC amayoko na mo press o mampenda da John Dra NDC food union mu ni asem but o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama wa be president ide he's he's coming no more mo pese oba no mo refi say NDC fu be dia Ghana so in fact omo ewuli Ghana ha say NPP amayoko no film village ahe na mo wo twa asini nyende yenya asini twafo wo Ghana ha both Gallywood na Kumawood nyende film village na mo kana he na mo wo na party ben so na abedi Ghana so ache into His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo is mo de ho church no oye mo ne mo kasa mo pese mo campaign mo mampenda da John Dramani Mahama mo anim ye hu mo na mo nja bia mo de ne na me no afirst mo say health insurance egu na youth ni nya adwuma ye really like seriously na 2016 eno mampenda da John Dramani Mahama efia bembo eye the late president John Evans Fifi Atamils Yame Eton Safre no man that John Dramani Mahama ebe take over. How many jobs and NDC Amayoko no man that John Dramani Mahama and even the late president omo create a man Ghana youth mo kan che ni nti am person man that John Dramani Mahama esan ba even man that also osan so aba na also dey nkokobu nketenkete na enkokon ketekete ba no just say why man I clear why specific out say NDC youth no dey be mo nti nya Ghana fo nko a adwuma hi na wo man yimu a youth na nya bi ye dada dey na mbaka say MPP fo ana say his excellency na dan kwaku fo Dubai wa ba begu ni nti monti ase and our first most health insurance na then na film village na mo kana. What is that got to do with health insurance? Film village. What is film village got to do with health insurance? Samu nima health insurance na manka samo kana kwa no NPP fo na de buy NDC fo mo begu no. Mo ya mo research ye. Masa yani abre. Youth na wo memu yani abre fucking. Yenye dwuma yani abre. Nti NDC na NPP fo na de mu ntiri me no. Mo a mo ye leader. Mo ba ka asem defend the youth no. Say NPP fo na NDC fo. Yen ye wotu mi se ye be campaign ya mamo na nkofo beto amamo na emome no mun create jobs e ma Ghana youth ni binye no mo take one party e na mo be campaign ya mamo no problem na yentie ensema Ghana fo nso e ka e de e kire omo wey e Francis Boateng Osei e na o kire say kwasiafo. Do you think Ghana is for you people? And after all, what good impact do your movies have in developing the economy? Only insults and fighting with each other is your priority. Even your own culture cry, you make it like a dovish act in your movies. Siasem kwa you think Ghana is for the actress and actors. And I went so Deborah and I say concerts guys. You think Nanado will share taxpayers' money to you guys? And I went so Kingsley. No one cares about you, ungrateful people, hypocrites. Never mention the name John Dramani Mahama. And I went so long life and I say, what at all are they coming to talk about in favor of John Mahama? Hey, emptiness, pioneer. Because of allegations that Ejako's mansion is from NPP. And I went so James and Oche say Kumawood actors and actresses have used juju to kill your own movie industry. You guys are now bringing it on my beloved NPP. Shame. Go and put your industry together. Yeah. Where something and I Oche say I have wasted my data watching these concert people. What at all did Mahama do for you guys from 2008 and to 2016 that Ekufuadu failed to continue for you? And I went so Isaac and what you say they are just making noise, okay? And I went Adomako Richard and I Oche say Big Aquas is hungry. Agrada is not feeding him anymore. Christiana Awuni days is gone when her ass is no more needed in TikTok. Nana is also not in Team Aka Ebenezer's. Aka Ebenezer. So they are all hungry. And they know NPP believes in hard work. JM will give them free money. Okay, inti ensema Ghana for Aka Ede Atre Kumawood for Omokoto to Ayampia Ewo Power FM any.